Welcome back to Andrea Jean Cleaning and Life Hacks. Today I'm going to show you 3 genius ways to use Vaseline, otherwise known as petroleum jelly, on your clothing. We're going to get to the shoe here in just a second because I'm super impressed with that one. All right, let's get yourself a pair of jeans. Can you guess what I'm going to do right here? Oftentimes my daughter will not wear jeans because of this part right here. It irritates her skin. So what you can do is take just a little Q-tip like so, cotton swab, whatever you want to call it, and you can lubricate the inside of your button. Also, if you have a zipper that likes to get stuck, you can use bar soap. I've done a previous video on that as well. Why not get yourself some petroleum jelly, some Vaseline, and lubricate that zipper so that it will zip up more easily for you and help it last longer because you're creating a barrier. Moving on to this very comfortable sweatshirt right here. Lubricate that zipper so that it zips up more easily and helps it last longer, increasing the life of your favorite, most beloved items. Also, if you have any parts on your sweatshirt, your sweater, whatever you're using, that is aggravating to the skin, sometimes there's little tags inside here. You can just go ahead and put a little petroleum jelly right where a tag might be that causes some irritation. Even if you cut it off, sometimes you can't get all the way in there without damaging the fabric. Let me know if you've done that before. Give this video a thumbs up if you've done that, where you've cut the tag and then it accidentally puts a hole through the material and you just like, ah, what am I to do? All right, let's move on to the shoe. Oh, this is a good one right here. So not only can the Vaseline serve as a protectant for your shoes, but let me just show you a little something. Let's take this spot right here. Let's go in there with a little bit of Vaseline. We're gonna go on here. I'm just playing like light pressure. You can see right here. Look at that Q-tip right there. The petroleum jelly, the Vaseline, helps lift the grease, the gunk, the goo that's stuck on your shoes. So what I would do is go around your shoes, buff them up, shine them up, and then you can take something else like a wet towel or something like this to wipe it on off. That is looking whiter already. I clearly need to get around the rest of the shoe. This also works amazing if you have skid marks on your floor. Just get a Q-tip, a rag, a microfiber towel, paper towel, wipe it on your skid mark. It should come up much easier for you. All right, give this video a thumbs up. Check out this video on screen now for some additional awesome cleaning and life hacks, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.